If you are looking for a decentralized crypto wallet that supports multi-chain like the Polygon, ETH, BSC and many more other chains, then yes, you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to talk about the Huobi wallet, which indeed is a really interesting wallet and which you should know about. So the topics that I'll be covering in this video is, I'll be teaching you how you can create a new wallet in the Huobi wallet, how you can send and receive your favorite crypto, and at the end of the video, I'll be also teaching you how you can import your wallet from the Trust wallet into the Huobi wallet. So altogether this would be a really interesting video. Make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel until now, please do subscribe, and while clicking on the bell icon, select the button all. So I have started my phone screen recorder, and let us go to the Play Store and search for Huobi Wallet. So this is the application that we need to install today. So let me simply click on the install. Let us wait for a few seconds until the installation as well as the scanning has been successfully completed. So once it has been done, let us simply click on the open. And after clicking on the open, you first need to allow the permission, and let us now wait for a few seconds. Click on the agree and click on the next, choose try now, and friends, now you need to insert a password that you will never forget. So once you have successfully inserted that password, just click on the OK, and you can see I have got 1 point. Let me show you the lucky draw. So here is a spinning wheel wherein you can earn different rewards, but as you can see, the reward has been failed because this event has ended on 27th of September. But still, let me click on the earn points, and friends, here you can earn points for performing various tasks. For example, let me click on the redeem invitation code. The thing that you need to do is you need to insert my invitation code, which is 8J8W2T. And after you have used my invitation code, you will get 2 points credited. So these points we will be able to use in future for various tasks. Let me teach you how we can create a new wallet. All you need to do is just click on the wallet option, choose add wallet, and now you need to choose the network in which you want to create a wallet. You will see variety of network like the Bitcoin, Heko network, BSC and many more. I have chosen Heko network, and let me click on the create wallet. Now friends, what you need to do is click on the backup mnemonic, and you will be given 12 seed phrases. What you need to do is you need to write it down in a very safe place, and after you have written it down, you need to simply click on the next option. And after you have clicked on the next, now the next thing that you need to do is you need to insert all of the seed phrases as per the sequence, and then click on the next. After that, click on the I know and click on the confirm and complete. So in this way, I have created a wallet in the Heko network. Now let me teach you how you can create in any other network. For example, I have chosen BSC. Let me click on the add wallet and choose the add wallet option. Click on the confirm, and you can see our wallet has been successfully created. Now as you can see, I am on the BSC chain, and let me now teach you how you can receive your favorite token into the Huobi wallet. So let me click on the BNB, and here you will see send and receive. Click on the receive, and after you click on the receive, you will be given the deposit address as well as the QR code. Simply copy that address, and now let me take you to my Trust wallet and choose the BSC. Click on the send. I'll be pasting the recipient address and choose the amount of how much I have to send. For example, I have sent over $6.8. Let me click on the confirm. Now let us go back to the Huobi wallet. And friends, here you can see in just a few seconds, I have successfully received my BNB token. So this is how fast the Huobi wallet works. If at any time you wish to send your favorite crypto, you need to simply click on the send, and here you also get to choose which speed you have to choose. For example, you can choose average, fast as well as max, and it also shows you how much would be fees that would be deducted from every transaction. Now let me talk about how you can import your Trust wallet into your Huobi wallet. Choose the chain. For example, I am choosing BSC. Then click on the import wallet, and after clicking on the import wallet, go to your Trust wallet application, click on the settings, choose the wallet, then choose the 3 option. Click on the show recovery phases, copy that phase and paste it over here. Now friends, you can see wallet was successfully added. My Trust wallet balance has been reflected in the Huobi wallet. So this is how you can import your Trust wallet into your Huobi wallet. So guys, I hope that you have watched this whole video and got a deep understanding about the Huobi wallet. Still, if you got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have taught in this particular video, you can comment down below. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.